going to be showing how to install window banner for H&R Block today. Obviously you want to make sure that the surface of the window is nice and clean, free of any residue or dust. At this point the banner comes with a paper liner, and what you need to do is just take and remove paper liner approximately 6 inches from the top, exposing the adhesive like so. Then you take it and you place the banner onto the window, making sure that it's nice and horizontal and placed where it's desired. Take and smooth out the top edge like so, and using a scraper, basically in a left to right motion, start smoothing out the air bubbles from the inside out so you can work out any trapped air. And then as you move, only remove enough liner as you need to continue the process going down the entire length of the poster. As you see like this, just want to continue pulling down the liner and then smoothing out the poster at the same time. By doing this, you'll avoid any air entrapment, and it'll provide a very fast and easy installation, as you see. Continue all the way down. Until completely removed. And that's it. At that point, you can go back over the entire poster, making sure that the adhesive has a secure contact to the window. This will provide a better appearance also on the outside. Let's go over the surface. And that's it. We can take a look outside now and see what it looks like from the outside looking in. And that would be basically it. Alright, so this is what the final poster should look like looking through the glass on an interior in the office area.